Okay, gonna create a new field and facility in NEMC Counter. We can do that up here. In this place, there's called plus operation. And let's assume we're gonna create a new, called exploration field. And the field itself, we call it field A. Then we already have some information here from previously entered. But all these fields are mandatory. So if you don't have the field authority ID, you can enter something that is relevant for you. It's not used anywhere else than in this place then. Facility, let's call this drilling rig. Which one is it? We're gonna have a drilling rig Oslo come in and do some drilling for us. Then we automatically, it's been entered in the system, so automatically it populates this facility authority ID as well. We are in Norway, so let's see here. Legislative regime is Norway as well. Purpose of operation, we have exploration drilling. Otherwise you have production as well. And a tiny difference would be that if you have a production, then normally the facility itself, the rig that would be producing, would be the same as the field. Like the facility name would be field A, for instance. But in this case, it's a drilling rig, so we call it that. And later on, if you should create a field here, you could just create a new field and facility, and then create field A, and then enter field A here as well. Here we have something that you can copy emission and methods and factors from another already existing field. And let's do that. Facility type as well. What is it that is going to do the drilling here? That's automatically populated since I used an existing one, but it's a drop-down list that you can select from. Okay, let's go next. As you see now, the access right that you have for this field would be for this user role, and you would have no access. So let's see if you could also copy from another field here. There's plenty of them in our system. So if you already have a field and an access that you want to copy, you can do that here. For instance, if you copy this one, you will see that sometimes they will populate here. But in this case, let's use end user general and set it to right. All right. Then next. Business area. Some information that we use to aggregate data later on. For instance, in this case, Europe is a geographical area. And that means that all the fields that you enter into NEMC Counter with this information in will be aggregated based on the information you put in here. You could also have active, completed, decommission, and in some cases you could also have operated and non-operated. So let's leave it at that for now. This is the facility location if you need it. It's not used in our system anything for anything else than information purpose for you guys. So let's click save and exit and see if we can find the field and facility in our tree editor over here. We have field A, drilling rig Oslo. And speaking of the tree editor, if you, for instance, want to see like that, you can see in the tree editor here which fields and facilities are in which country. So that's it. Good luck.